So the slides are in Igbo. Your job is to translate it to English. Ndeo, ahambi Joma. Omune watarage nkuzi Igbo. I bring you Igbo teaching, okay? So, ihani geme bo ideremi ihe nda na bekee. Ideremi ihe na bekee. So, watch the slides, work out what it means. Okay, it's in Igbo, and write the English meaning for me in the comment section. Okay, so the slides are in Igbo. Your job is to translate it to English. Ngwano, ka anyị bido? Let's go. Ụlọ, ụlọ. Ada, ada. Ke ebe ada no? Ke ebe ada no? Ke ebe ada no? Ada no n'ụlọ. Ada no n'ụlọ. Ada no n'ụlọ. Ngwan, is your turn. Translate it to English in the comment section, okay? And just to let you know, Igbo Speakers Bootcamp registration is closing today, okay? So you better hurry and join if you do not want to miss the boat. Ngwano, Kodi. I got na bootcamp.